Hello guys, welcome to Spirotech 365. Today I'm going to tell you 5 more tips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Today's tip number 1 is you can easily freeform view in project panel. Here is a different clips in the project panel. You can see easily view of this which one clips and select the clips easily. Here is the sequence 2. You can easily open the sequences. And you can view easily from the freeform view. Click the freeform view button here. You can drag this view as your choice. You can rearrange the clips as your choice. Tip number 2 is you can insert black videos from, you can file new black video and then click OK. Here you can see there is a black video here. You can insert the black video. You can insert the black video there as well as you required for your project. Also you can insert a color matte here for the different color. Okay, and then tip number 3 is you can create adjustment layer from the file new and click adjustment layer. So it will create an adjustment layer. And also you can create adjustment layer from new item sequence adjustment layer. So what is the adjustment layer? And what it is useful? You can add some effects on these 3 clips, these 3 different clips with one adjustment layer. Suppose any video effect. You can use camera blur in this adjustment layer. Okay, now you see there is a camera blur. Okay, or you can change the percentage to all of this clip. So this is the usefulness of this adjustment layer. Tip number 4 is you can work with the timeline window easily by dragging this clip up. There you see, you can see this, we can create new track easily by dragging this from down to up. It will automatically create a new video track. You can also add video tracks from add track, add multiple tracks from add tracks, add 3 tracks. Suppose we add 3 tracks after video layer track 6. There you see 3 video tracks is added. If we control Z, it will undo all of these things that we have done. Tip number 5 is you can easily track the targeting video. Suppose we copy these things and we paste these things. It will paste in video track 1 because we selected this video track 1. If we undo this and uncheck this video track 1 and if we click the video track 4 and paste this pressing Ctrl plus V, it will paste in video track 4. Similarly, if we check the video track 6, it will paste it into the video layer 6. So this is the 5 tips for Premiere Pro today. If you enjoy and love our video, like, comment and share. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro.